In this video, we listed the 5 best mirrorless camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II body is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera equipped with a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor, perfect for capturing sharp, detailed images in various lighting conditions. Powered by the Digic X image processor, it delivers high-quality performance with minimal noise, enabling smooth video recording and image stabilization. Its high-speed continuous shooting capability, up to 40 frames per second, allows for capturing dynamic action moments with ease. Advanced subject acquisition technology and enhanced face, eye, and head detection make it ideal for portraits and wildlife photography. Additionally, the camera supports 6K oversampled 4K video recording and offers up to 6 hours of continuous Full HD recording, making it an excellent choice for videography. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5, sharing content is seamless via the Canon Camera Connect app. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX G7. The camera features a 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor with CMOS technology, delivering sharp, high dynamic range images without a low-pass filter. It supports a variety of image formats, including RAW, JPEG, and MPO for 3D shots, and can capture 4K QFHD video, 3840 by 2160, with unique modes for extracting high-resolution stills from video. With Wi-Fi support, IEEE 802.11b divided by G divided by N, and easy connectivity through USB 2.0, HDMI, and external MIC and remote ports, it offers versatile usage. The camera also includes intuitive controls, a high-resolution OLED live viewfinder, and a tilt-swivel 3-inch LCD display. Despite lacking image stabilization, it provides a 3x optical zoom, a maximum aperture of f/5.6, and a maximum focal length of 84mm. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7R. The Sony Alpha 7RV is a powerful full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, equipped with a 61MP back-illuminated XMOR CMOS sensor. It features advanced AI processing for intelligent autofocus, utilizing next-generation real-time recognition autofocus and deep learning AI. The camera supports various aspect ratios, including 16:9, 3:2, and 4:3, and offers digital image stabilization. With an expanded ISO range starting at 50, it provides exceptional low-light performance. The Bionz XR engine significantly boosts processing speed by up to 8x. Ideal for both photographers and filmmakers, it supports 8K 24p, 25p and 4K 60p, 50p video recording. The camera is compatible with Sony E-mount lenses and supports JPEG and RAW file formats. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX G100. The LUMIX G100 offers versatile performance with options like LCD EVF, USB-B, OLED EVF, USB-C, and additional models with grips, catering to various needs at different price points. It features a Micro Four Thirds system compatible with all LUMIX lenses, capturing high-quality 4K photo and video. The camera also supports Intelligent Auto, IA, mode for beginners and manual modes for more experienced users. Ideal for content creators, it can be used as a webcam, has advanced 360-degree sound recording, and includes features like digital image stabilization and Vlog-L recording. With a 12 to 32mm lens and easy sharing options, it promises an exceptional multimedia experience. Number 5. Sony Alpha A6600. The Sony ILCE 6600B is a high-performance mirrorless camera offering advanced features for professional photography and videography. It boasts the world's fastest autofocus at 0.02 seconds, with real-time autofocus and object tracking capabilities. The 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR sensor ensures detailed images, while its ISO range of up to 102,400 allows for shooting in low-light conditions. With 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, the camera covers over 84% of the sensor for precise focus. Continuous shooting at 11 frames per second, real-time IAF for both human and animal subjects, and 5-axis in-body image stabilization make it ideal for capturing dynamic scenes. Additionally, it features professional audio monitoring with an external mic and headphone jack.